Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Innomiknot or no name knot. It's really easy to tie, really easy to untie. What's not to like? Okay, to tie this one I just want to take my rope and pass it underneath the rail and over the top, and this working end I want to pass to the left, and I'm going to feed out probably about half a metre. I want to lift that up and give it a 360-degree twist by twisting it anti-clockwise, and then the working end, which I pass to the left, I want to go underneath that standing part, form a bite by just folding that rope over and then passing it up through that loop. Then I just need to pull on the working end and I've finished the knot. Nice and easy.